Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Cabinet decides to raise contingency fund amount to 100 crore on permanent basis, adopts groundwater policy. BJP ministers and MLAs were on Dubai junket. Tour was sponsored by Casino House. Alleges Congress MLAs Casino Pride owner deny allegations. Terracotta Jetty issue a main agenda for ZP poll. New members should work for people's development and not support business lobbies, say Pednekars. Computer dealers appeal for dignified survival of computer hardware professionals, says government cyber aid scheme. Online shopping ruins business. And Irani gang member involved in Mangal Sutra snatching, beaten black and blue in Ponda. Nadar Changes handed over to police. Accomplice manages to escape. And now the news in detail. Cabinet has resolved to permanently hike contingency fund limit from 30 crores to 100 crores. Government has also decided to adopt groundwater policy. Under this policy, it will be mandatory to register all the wells in the state. Cabinet has also resolved to convert Atal Gram Yojana as Atal Gram Development Agency under cooperative registrar.
Government has decided to increase contingency fund to 100 crores from 30 crores. This raise will be on permanent basis. 3 months back, same fund was raised from 30 crores to 230 crores for this financial year. Major government department salaries were disbursed through this contingency fund for last 2 months. After a High Court whip, government has decided to adopt groundwater policy. Government has formulated this policy as per High Court directives. As per this policy, all the wells has to be registered. Nobody can dig a well without obtaining water meter. Water use will be on record for personal and commercial use. Government argues that this policy will curtail misuse of water. Cabinet has also decided to amend Panchayati Raj Act to hold ZP polls on party lines. Atal Gram Vikas Yojana will be converted into Atal Gram Development Agency under cooperative registrar. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar for Prudent.
BJP ministers and MLAs Brazil junket was at the cost of public exchequer, and their Dubai tour 2013 is allegedly casino sponsored. Congress office bearer Durgadas Kamath has exposed Minister Averdan Furtado and BJP MLAs Michael Lobo, Glenn Tiklo, Carlos Almeida and independent MLA Benjamin Silva for their Dubai tour sponsored allegedly by a Goa-based casino. But junketiers claim they spent from their own pockets. Casino Pride owner too denies tour sponsorship.
Casino Pride Group Director Tarun Khattar is seen with Cabinet Minister Averdan Furtado, BJP MLAs Michael Lobo, Glenn Tiklo, Carlos Almeida and independent MLA Benjamin Silva in Dubai. Minister and MLAs were having a leisure time in Dubai in the last week of September 2013. Durgadas Kamath says MLAs and Minister toured Al Burj Khalifa and other tourist landmarks in Dubai at the cost of casino company. Sources informed that Minister and MLAs had not taken prior clearance from Ministry of External Affairs and Home Affairs for a foreign tour. It is mandatory for every public representative to seek permission before leaving on a foreign tour, even if it is personal. Durgadas Kamath has challenged the concerned Minister and MLAs to prove that Dubai trip was not casino sponsored.
आम्ही डायरेक्ट चॅलेंज दिता या मंत्री आणि आमदारांक तांच्यांनी तांची तिकेट पेमेंट डिटेल्स त्या ट्रिपा संदर्भात पब्लिक करचे जर तांच्यांनी पेमेंट केला तर ना जर मुख्यमंत्र्यांना स्पष्टीकरण दिवपाची गरज आसा.
Minister Averdan Furtado and BJP MLAs have rubbished all the charges. Michael says he will arrange Dubai tour if Durgadas Kamath wishes to.
कितें बारीक बारीक कितें घेवन येता पळय ताका सांग यो म्हणून म्हाका निम्यो.
Casino Pride rejected the claims of tour sponsor.
Yeah, this is absolute rubbish. We have not sponsored, we did not even know that they are going or they have gone out. This is in 2013 somewhere it seems. The best part is these pictures were taken by the group itself, and one of them have put this in his own Facebook. If somebody has done something wrong, they would not have put it in the Facebook. And from there, this has been the Facebook pictures have been taken. This is not some expose or some kind of a revolution and all that kind of nonsense.
BJP, while in opposition, was opposing casinos in Goa staunchly before 2012 assembly poll. BJP's Delhi MP Manoj Tiwari performed at casino on 7th February in Goa. BJP had promised to shut down casinos. After U-turns, now its government feels the casinos a necessity to run the state. Mahesh Ghadi with Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
The new Aranda jetty and movement of coal-loaded barges is posing a threat to traditional fishermen's bread and butter and creates pollution in the village. This is a major issue for ZP poll in the Keri-Therakol belt. While some of the Pednekar say ZP members should work for people and government should give them sufficient funds and powers, local youth demand that ZP should ensure employment, preservation of traditional occupation and Pedne garbage free. Watch our Battle ZP special from Pedne.
ZP members should work for people and not for the business lobbies. Elderly local at Therakol advised the new ZP member.
झेडपी म्हणतात ताका खरे म्हणशी जाल्यार अधिकार कसलो आहा हे आमकां कांयच कळना कितें आतां सरपंच आहा ताका अधिकार सुबेज काय हाका झेडपीक अधिकार सुबेज हे झेडपी आतां आयजूच आमचे कडेन येवन गेलो एकलो पूण तेणें आतां हांगा येवन आमी बारज्यो आडायल्यो आमकां तेराकोला खूब त्रास जाता म्हणून ह्या बारज्यो येवच्यो न्हू म्हणून पूण तेणें हांगा येवन त्यो बारज्यो सोडयल्यो तुमी हे झेडपी जावतात ते आमचें बरें करपाक आमकां फंडां घालपाक.
ZP should get powers and funds and should be utilized at optimum.
आणि झेडपीन जसे आमदारांक अधिकार सरकारान दिल्ले आसत त्या पद्दतीन झेडपीक अधिकार दिवचे आनी त्या अधिकारा मार्फत झेडपीन जाता तितले सर्व गांवाचो जास्तीत जास्त विकास करपाचो.
Youth are not bothered which party ZP member belongs to. They want employment, development and a garbage-free Pedne.
कोणे निवडून येवनी पण आमची एक अपेक्षा की आमची हय कामां करूची एक आमकां निस्तेकाची शेड बांदुनी आनी काय
आणि हे काय केरेन चलता बारजी बिरजी ते तेणी बघपाचो कित्याक आमी नुस्तें आमचो नुस्त्याचो धंदो तो तेणी आमी तेका म्हणा न्हू की का तो निवडा म्हणजे आमकां सगळ्यांक वोटींग हे करूकच जाय कोणेय आसूं
आणि बारीक बारीक जी
बारीक कामां कोणाची
कामां येतात गटाराची आणि कशी बारीक बारीक
आणि काय अर्दोड सगळी कामां ती बघपाची.
Vilas Arolkar for Battle ZP from Pedne.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.